everyone, welcome back. You did it! Oh my gosh, woohoo! Let's dance, let's sing. Day 30 of the 30-day wellness journey. We are gonna talk about maintenance, and I want you just to reflect and just be so proud of yourself. It's such a huge commitment that you decided to commit to. Whether you know who I am or a complete stranger watching this video, you completed the 30-day wellness journey, and I am just so excited for you and just all that's gonna come into your life after this. So let's get started. So you made it 30 days of connecting to yourself every single day. So every day we had education, reflective questions, and inspired actions. And what I'd love for you to do is bring out day one. You wrote down your goal for this 30-day wellness journey, and I want you to reflect. Were you able to achieve that goal? Were you able to accomplish that goal? Do you need more time to accomplish it? Just kind of take some time to reflect on day one. Also take some time to reflect on where you're at just since you started this, since you've been looking inward and reflecting on different questions and taking so many inspired actions in your life. I'd love to know in the comments below if you were able to achieve your goals, if you were able to get one step closer to the goal that you set on day one. I'd love to just hear all those beautiful moments that you've had throughout this experience. So you might be wondering, what's next? How do I keep this momentum going? How do I take time to just keep elevating my wellness? So you have so many options. So first option is since this is on YouTube and it's totally free, you can redo this anytime. Maybe in 6 months, you're like, I need a refresher and I just need that daily accountability of something that I can check in with, right? Any of those questions and inspired actions you can do over and over again. Or maybe there's just a certain topic that you need to rewatch through every couple of weeks or days or months. You can always just click on a different video to kind of see what your needs are. Also reminding yourself, give yourself permission to set aside time every day. Maybe if it felt nice having that 5 to 10 minutes every single day just to connect to yourself, whether you did that in the morning or the afternoon or the evening, maybe you find some time to implement that in your everyday routine to allow yourself to continue connecting to your needs. And what you can do is online on Pinterest, so it's totally free, you can just Google journal prompts, and that will give you so many prompts that you can use for reflective questions or even inspired actions that you can do every day to kind of keep elevating your wellness and elevating your needs. And so just as we talked about in yesterday's video, celebrating your win, I want you to just to celebrate that you made it here, day 30. You should be so proud of yourself. It is such an incredible feat that you did, that you took time every single day. You showed up, you hit that like button, you commented below, and you connected with yourself. And so reminding yourself that as important as connecting with yourself is making time to keep this in your routine. So 21 days to make a habit, but 90 days to make a lifestyle change. So you've made it 30 days. I really encourage you for the next 60 days, keep journaling, keep making notes, keep looking inward, doing those inspired actions, taking risks, setting boundaries, celebrating those wins, focusing on your breath, your gratitude, right? All of the things. And so reminding yourself that you are worth paying attention to. Again, I repeat, you are worth paying attention to. You are a beautiful being and a beautiful soul. Never underestimate your abilities or your abilities to help others or even help yourself. So often we get stuck on autopilot, and you decided to get off autopilot by attending and showing up every single day. I'm so grateful and just so proud that you decided to take time to nurture yourself. So you might be asking, well, what's next? So obviously this was the first time that I've done this. If next year in January you'd like me to do another 30-day wellness journey with different topics, you can always email me. My email's in the link below, or you can comment below to do another one in the next year with different topics. So I release videos out every single Monday. So if you're wanting more videos from me, Alyssa Cotten, check out my channel. Every single Monday there will be videos. Obviously no longer daily videos, but weekly videos that are going to be on different topics, whether that's anxiety or stress management, but it's gonna be very similar to what you've experienced in this 30-day journey, but more of once a week and different topics that don't necessarily go in order as this wellness journey has. So again, raise the roof, dance, celebrate, give yourself just so much love and so much just gratitude for making it this far and completing something that you put yourself out to do. So your reflective question is, what do you need more of to continue this wellness journey? Did you really enjoy the reflective questions, or did you enjoy the inspired actions, or did you just enjoy learning more about different topics? Ask yourself, what do you want to continue doing as you're on your own personal wellness journey? There's no right or wrong. You might say, after today, I'm going to take a break and I will look at my wellness the next time that I see an internal red flag that says, take a look at your wellness. So there's no right or wrong way to navigate this, but just being mindful that when we take care of ourselves, our body allows us to have stress and we're able to bounce back from that stress a lot quicker if we wouldn't have taken care of our body and our mind and all of that as a whole. So your inspired action is reach out. Tell someone about this 30-day journey. Tell them how you enjoyed it. Maybe encourage them to take the 30-day journey. The nice thing about it is now that all the videos are out, you can send it to friends, you can send it to family, and they can start on any day. And as we know, we're ending this on the 30th, so you can always encourage them to start it on the 1st of a month. So you can always send it to a friend or family, encourage them to join and kind of embark on their own wellness journey. Again, thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I'm so blessed, and I just want to say thank you for being here today. And of course, like that button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you Monday on my regular scheduled day for videos. Awesome. Have a great day.